Installing a door in your home is an essential task that can enhance both the aesthetic and security of your property. Whether you're replacing an old door or adding a new one, getting the installation right is crucial. Many homeowners in Birmingham make common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs, security risks, or aesthetic mismatches. To help ensure your door installation goes smoothly, here are the top mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong type of door. One of the most significant mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of door for their needs. There are many different types of doors available, each suited for specific functions. For example, exterior doors need to be made of durable materials such as solid wood, fiberglass, or steel to withstand the elements. Interior doors, on the other hand, can be lighter and made from materials like MDF or hollow core wood. Choosing a door that doesn't match its intended use can compromise the door's performance and lifespan. Another mistake is selecting a door that doesn't match the style of your home. In Birmingham, which is home to many historic properties, choosing a door that clashes with the architectural style of your house can detract from its visual appeal. Consider the design, finish, and color of the door to ensure it complements the overall aesthetic of your home. Incorrect measurement. Proper measurements are essential to a successful door installation. If your door doesn't fit the frame properly, you risk wasting money on a door that doesn't function as it should. A poorly fitted door may have gaps that let in drafts or moisture, compromising insulation and security. It can also cause difficulty in opening and closing, leading to frustration and potential damage over time. Before purchasing a new door, measure the height, width, and depth of the door frame. It's also important to measure the thickness of the walls surrounding the door to ensure a perfect fit. If you're unsure about measurements, it's wise to consult a professional installer who can ensure accuracy. Neglecting to check the frame condition. When installing a new door, the condition of the door frame is just as important as the door itself. Over time, door frames can become damaged due to weather conditions, wear and tear, or poor installation. If the frame is warped, rotted, or misaligned, it can cause issues with the door's function. Even if the door itself is new and high quality, a faulty frame can undermine the entire installation. Before installing your door, inspect the frame thoroughly. If you find any damage, such as cracks or rot, take the time to repair or replace the frame before proceeding with the installation. Skipping the weatherproofing. Weatherproofing is a crucial aspect of door installation, especially in a city like Birmingham, where weather conditions can vary widely. Failing to properly weatherproof your door can lead to drafts, energy loss, and water damage. Sealing gaps around the door and ensuring it is properly insulated is essential to maintaining a comfortable home and reducing energy bills. Make sure to install a weather-resistant seal around the edges of the door, particularly if it's an external one. Additionally, use weather stripping and thresholds to block any air or moisture from entering through the gaps. These small but important steps will keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Improper door swing. The swing direction of the door. whether it opens inwards or outwards, can significantly impact both functionality and space efficiency. One of the most common mistakes is failing to consider the layout of the room or the intended use of the space before deciding on the door swing. In homes where space is limited, consider the way the door swings and how it will affect the flow of movement. Ensure that when the door is opened, it doesn't obstruct furniture or cause a tripping hazard. Additionally, pay attention to the direction of the door swing to make sure it fits the room's design and purpose. Overlooking security features. Security should always be a top priority, especially for exterior doors. Choosing a door with weak security features can put your home at risk. For example, some doors may have inadequate locking systems or easily breakable materials that offer little protection against intruders. Invest in a door that has secure locking mechanisms, such as deadbolts or multi-point locks. Reinforced door frames, impact-resistant glass, and strong materials like steel can also enhance the security of your home. It's always better to opt for a slightly higher quality door to ensure your family's safety. DIY without expertise. While DIY home improvement projects can be rewarding, installing a door is a task that requires skill and knowledge. Many homeowners attempt to install doors themselves without realizing the complexities involved, leading to subpar results. If you don't have the right tools, experience, or knowledge of door installation techniques, you may end up causing more harm than good. Hiring a professional installer can save you time, money, and frustration. A skilled installer will ensure the door is properly fitted, aligned, and secured, preventing any potential issues down the road. Conclusion. Installing a door in your Birmingham home can be a straightforward process if you avoid these common mistakes. Take the time to choose the right door, measure carefully, and ensure the frame is in good condition. Weatherproof your door, consider the door swing and security features, and don't hesitate to call in a professional if needed. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll enjoy a door that not only looks great but also functions properly for years to come.